Hey guys and gals, what is good? What is good? Hello, hello, hello. How are you doing this fine day? Let's go! Turn it up, you guys are awesome. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for hitting that play button. Oh, yeah. You know I love it. You know I love it. All right, guys, thank you for being here. Turn it up. You beautiful, intelligent people. You beautiful, intelligent people. Thank you for the views. The views. I mean, for some people might be like, well, that's not many. You know what? To me, like, that's really good views. And like, yeah, I'm happy. I'm so happy about that. You guys have no idea. No idea. But yeah, maybe you do. I'll let you guys know how awesome you are. Thank you for the views. I don't know if you're subscribed to the channel or not, but if you do enjoy the content, turn it up, hit the like button, hit that subscribe button on the bottom right corner. It's nice and easily accessible for you. So appreciate you being here, 100%. Subscribers, let's go. I'm gonna turn it up for you guys and gals here quickly, if I haven't already. But I need to finish up with socials here in chat. Again, all that information is typically in the description body of each video or live stream. If you can't access it via the chat, feel free to join. No pressure. I mean, I'm just chill. You know, I'm not really a socials guy, but person. I should be a little more. I should be probably, but I'm not. So, but the more it grows, you know, I'll be more interactive, I think. Quickly, I want to check the channel here. Okay, just getting going. Fun Days Mondays. Let's go. Just want to make sure you guys and gals can hear me okay. I'm gonna check the stream quickly. You know, I'll be more interactive, I think. Oh, Tech Dave. Hello, Tech Dave. Whoops. Always clicking the wrong thing. It's not time for that, guys. Hello, Tech Dave. Appreciate you being here. My guy, how you doing? How are you doing? Hopefully well. I've been working and grinding, my friend. Working and grinding. Yeah, I'm excited. I'm working I've been working relentlessly on, well, the new input system and working on first person. Well, actually, third person. I still have to do first person, but character controller. I know. I've already kind of been doing that, but that's the old system, guys. That's the old system. Old legacy, right? We're trying to move forward here into the future. Into the future. The future. Let's go. Yes, and I do. When I get working, I get focused, and I don't like being bothered. I won't lie. Not even my own family is allowed to bother me. It's like, leave me alone. Leave me the beep alone. I'm working here. So, but Kelly Clarkson. I asked her to help me to talk because apparently I don't know how to talk. Apparently. Working on it, guys. I'm working on it. Let's finish here in chat. Hope you guys and gals had a great weekend. Truly, truly, truly mean that. I'm going to do my best, guys, to put out streams all this week. Continue this little project we're working on. Again, I'm working on the character controller script, right? Like I've been talking about. And I'm breaking it apart into animation code because I'm doing animations as well. So animations code, I'm separating the input, the user input part of it, and from the movement script or the player controller script. So if you understand what I just said, man, you're awesome. But yeah, it's not all in one code. And I have to make the script I call it script communication. Okay? Will you stop doing that? You guys can't see that yet. You know what? You know what it is? There we go, Stream Elements. Thank you for waking up. The icon for OBS is circular and black and white, and the icon for Unity, well, it's not circular, but it's kind of circular, but it's also black and white, so I just click the wrong ones all the time. Yeah, I know, it happens. Okay, but yeah, let's keep going. Is that it? I dropped the Discord link for you guys if you want to be part of Discord. I know I'm not usually on there a lot, but we got Tech Dave, guys. You guys have any questions, concerns, any help, any advice? Throw Tech Dave a Cash App, buy me a coffee. He would love it. He's working hard. I know he is. The guy deserves it. I haven't been really talking to him too much because, you know, I've been kind of in my own world. But I know he's working hard and grinding, and he's there. He'll help you guys out. I know he will. You guys in Discord or whatever, you can freely chat amongst each other as well, right? Build a community. Let's go. Let's learn and grow together. Now, I don't have a Cash App, buy me a coffee thing myself, but maybe I'll have something set up in Discord where you can, like, buy Tech Dave a coffee, because he would love it. I think that's a great idea. Okay, but other than that, I'm not asking you guys for anything other than your likes and your support and your views, and this content is open and free to public, and it's not even behind a paywall. And still eating bologna and marmalade sandwiches. Life is good! Life is good! Okay, turning it up. There's something else I want to do. Okay, we're gonna get going. I know I need to hurry up. I've been like, geez, guys, I'm good. Okay, I'm good. But man, like today's been so crazy busy. Like, because I'm working the whole weekend, I'm literally not doing anything else other than, eating bologna and marmalade sandwiches, and pretty much working steady, like literally not capping, easily 12 hours, easily. I don't take lunch breaks and go hang out by the water cooler and talk to myself because, I'm the only employee over here. I don't have that going on. If I take a break, it's a washroom break. But anyways, I'm pushing hard and grinding for you guys, not just for you guys, but for myself as well, growing, improving my skill set and coding skills and such for you guys so that you guys can get, decent content and stuff. Again, I have an open mind. There's always something new to learn, guys. Doesn't matter how old you are. There's always something new to learn. Okay? You can't know everything. You cannot know everything. All right? And if you think you know everything... Excuse me. Excuse me, guys. I had to sneeze there. I had to sneeze. It's funny. I know. Hilarious. Okay. I'm almost there. I'm still pasting in chat, guys. So I want to give quick shout outs, okay? Here's something I haven't done for a while. I think my Stream Elements does this, but my long time, well, he's kind of a friend from back in my Twitch days when I was streaming on Twitch. I kind of moved over here to YouTube for you guys, right? Because literally YouTube's been my longest channel. I've had YouTube longer than Twitch, but I had 600 plus, like over 700 actually, subscribers or followers. Slowly, I came over here to YouTube for you guys. And only 146 of you actually appreciate it. You guys are all legends! Let's go! As of today's video, live stream. Would be more, but there's been some quitters, and you know what I say about quitters. You suck! That's right. Don't come back, either. You can't make a decision. Either you like it or you don't. Well, you just clicked like because I talked about marmalade and bologna sandwiches or something? I don't know. Okay, but I do, getting on a tangent. I don't mean to. I want to do this. Channel subscribers. Because I haven't done this. I've been kind of just getting going is what I've been doing. Okay? Tomorrow I'll get a little bit more work done. But I want to shout out recent subscriber, Konnichiwa. That's all I can say. Konnichiwa. Okay? Awesome sauce. I might as well just leave that up, literally. I wouldn't do that if I actually was working, but kind of bouncing between WordPad. WordPad, yeah! They discontinued it, but over here in WhiskeyTango Sharp, because we're sharp over here, we know how to get things back. Working and functioning too. Working and functioning. There we go. Okay, I want to shout all you guys out because I haven't done that lately. And I think that's it. That was kind of what I wanted to do. Okay, boom. Because I want you guys to know I appreciate you. Alright, let's go. Let's just go like this. I'll show you guys, right? Working notepad. Or WordPad. Works. Oh, okay. You want to see it working? Okay, well, there's that. There's that. And hello. If you guys know me, I can't type worth a darn ski. I don't know, I got fat fingers and I always type te and adna. No, I did that wrong. Adna. Yeah, always type that. What other words do I do, man? It drives me crazy too. You know, like I don't really look at my keyboard, or do I? I don't know. Not really. I don't know how I type. I shouldn't have cheated in high school typing class. But I'm really good at this. This is what I'm really good at, guys. Now, if you know what that is, you're a real gamer. Right? You don't need aim assist either, okay? What is that? You might as well get the AI to just game for you. Like, what's the difference? Okay, let's go. Turning it up. Okay, time to get some work done. This is for you subscribers and viewers of the content. Those that view. I don't know if you are followers or supporters of the channel, but regardless, if not, I still appreciate the views. That helps with the channel growing. Slowly, you guys have been finding the channel, which is great. YouTube must be sharing or something. I don't know if it's the tags, because I always put 500 tags in every one of my videos, and I don't know if tags help or not, to be honest. All right, this is for you guys. Yeah, that's right, that's right, that's right. Viewers, subscribers, followers. Yeah, you guys are awesome. Every single one of you. Beautiful, intelligent people. That's my crowd in the background cheering you on, because they're awesome too. Let's go. Okay, I think it's time to get some work done. What do you guys think? Okay, now we might kind of do a little bit of what we were doing last time. We're going to continue with the painting. I know, guys. I know, painting. But we got to make the magic happen. Okay, stay tuned. Soon, like, see, I kind of have to get a plan. I'll figure it out. But we got lots to do still, okay? All right, I won't lie. Excuse me. The painting, I know it's all part of it, but I enjoy it, right? You just got to get in the zone, have some music, some good chill music in the background, guys. Oh, yeah, that's the other thing I meant to drop in. I'll just do this because I kind of closed the, I should actually create something so that the chatbot sends it for me. I should get chatbot to do it. Okay. But I was gonna paste this. Give me a sec. Now that's what happens when you kind of go back and forth between screens. Dual monitors set up, guys. There we go. If you like RPG games, or I don't know, maybe card games. If you like card games, if you're into, let's say you like Pokemon and all that sort of stuff, maybe DBZ. I'm a DBZ guy. I love DBZ all day, every day. Check out Rian. I have it part of my featured on the main channel, or the main page of the channel. Rian, I think it's Rian Arts. He's actually got, he's set up on Steam and that, and he's going to be releasing a game shortly. I don't do this for anybody. I kind of like, he's a cool guy. So I don't know. He's always been awesome with me and stuff. So he's an indie developer, guys. Okay, support the little guy. The big guys, the big companies, they're already doing fine. Okay, they don't need you. They're just stealing money from you at this point. They're going, here you go, here's another little gift. Give me $50 for that tiny little prize. And then they're walking to the bank with your money in their wallet going, sucker. That's what they're doing. Because they're fine. They don't need you. Anyways, yeah, support the little guy, the guy that's struggling. He's trying to grow. He's doing everything. And plus, he's a C++ coder as well. Rian Art. So he's doing a game. It's called, it's a deck builder / RPG, I guess, if you can call it that. I'm not sure what the category is, but it's definitely a deck builder, okay? And if you're into cards and such, he's doing all the digital artwork. To me, I think digital artwork's a lot more challenging than, like, what I'm doing is great. I'm not trying to knock it or anything. Like, I love what I'm doing here. But I don't know, maybe it's just me. I don't have the talent or the skill for digital art. I tried. I did some, like, character animation and stuff with a ghost and such, and it turned out not too bad. I did a little bit of parallax backgrounds, but man, yeah, I don't have a lot of patience for that kind of attention to detail. But you digital artists, man, wow, you guys are amazing. You truly are. So yeah, so he's doing that. Check it out, guys. Support him, right? Hit up his channel. I don't usually promote people and such, but yeah, it can't be easy. He's doing his own. He's doing everything. He does the C++ coding. He is a developer. He worked for a company. Now he's doing it on his own. That's what he's doing. He's been in the industry. He's worked. He's put in the grind. He's worked for other people. He's already put in that time. Now he's doing it for himself, which is awesome. Kind of like myself. But I didn't really put in the time coding wise. It's more drafting than that I did, right? But anyways, yeah, check it out. And if you are a venturer, a real life venturer, survivalist type person, check out Prepared Citizens as well. He's a pretty awesome dude. He also has a website if you need like any medical gear or medical kits. He's got a website for that. So he puts it all together himself. He's a pretty cool guy. Another solo dolo guy trying to do it, right? The little guys. Support the little guys, gals. All right, time to get back to work. All right, I think I did it. Man, whew, that was a lot, huh, guys? I know, but I gotta do it. I have to do it, right? Slowly the channel is growing. You guys are checking out the content. I love it. And again, yeah. So gonna continue with the awesomeness. Gonna continue with the creating. I'm just trying to think. Yeah, let's get going. I still have so much to do. I've been doing a lot of different things, guys, and I'm really having fun doing all these different things. I like to change it up and do different things just to change it up. I still have to find cacti or cactuses from the asset store. I just haven't had time. I was thinking of building a little village of some sort right in this area. That's why I kept it all flat. Again, I've been working on a third-person character controller, and guys, it's coming out great. Each script is going to be, there's 3 scripts, and for each of them are going to be $10.99, $99.99. Okay, I'm just joking. $10.99. Okay? I don't know, I like to say that. $10.99, $99, $99. It's just for laughs. Okay, guys? Alright, but yeah. I'm probably not going to share it. Sorry, guys. Sorry. But it's a lot of hard work and time. Okay? If you've worked on the new input system, you would understand. I do everything right from scratch. I enter all the input controls, everything. Okay. So, now I'm just kind of thinking, what am I gonna do? Man, a nice boulder over here would be nice, huh? We should slam something in here. Right there. Like a meteor. Something crashed right there, guys. Something crashed. Okay, let's get prepared. Let's bring up, let's see. I need my design snippets. Design snippets. Boulders. Boulders. Yeah, of course you would be on that side. There we go. There's a boulder. I'm trying to figure out what do I want to use. Let's see. What is that? One's kind of a little one. Let's see. I need something. Yeah, that one. Let's see. That's a rock bee overgrown. Let's start working, guys. Okay, I was gonna do a little more painting and such, but I want to change it up and try to keep it interesting for you. I thought maybe, yeah, I'm gonna try to do that, guys. Just kind of go back and forth. We're gonna do a little bit here, a little bit there, and slowly kind of make it grow. I don't want to just stick to painting for, for 10 streams in a row, right? That would be bad. I know. I don't want to put you through all that pain. Okay, it's not pain, guys. It is fun. It is fun. When you do it yourself, you really appreciate it. Okay, get with the program here. So that is rock overgrown. We'll work on some rocks today. B. So I'm going to do another duplicate. And we got to go over there. Hello, and we're gonna bring you with us. Come on down. Come on down. You're the next contestant on. Well, you guys know. I don't know if that's the right one or not. We should mix up another one, huh? What else could we slam in there? A rock D. Rock a D. We'll just slam another one of these in there. And we'll bring that over. I didn't want to go too crazy with these really big ones, but let's see, I'm not sure what size. We're going to scale it differently, right? You mix the boulders together, guys, and that's how you get a different vibe, okay? That's how you get a different vibe. And size as well. Okay, so, let's see. We need some numbers. We might scale it different. I don't know. We'll see. But let's see. We need 5.53 right there. Good enough. Okay. Boop. Bop. Bop. Okay. It's all scaled the right same size. 0. Let's zero all these out. And that's pretty huge. So let's see. Let's go maybe a little bit smaller. What do you think, guys? Let's try these values. They're kind of starter values that I go with. And now the rotation and stuff can be kind of whatever you decide. So we'll just rotate it Make sure we're on. Is that the right one? Yeah, I think so. Center, local, if I remember right. Let's go something like that. We're just kind of guessing. Okay? We're just going to slam it in there. It's kind of like it came from the sky. Whoa, where'd you go? Right from the sky. It came from the sky. Okay? Mass explosion and everything going on. I don't have the particle effects, guys. I don't have the particles effects yet. Okay? That's something, that's another thing entirely that I have to still work on. You know? Haven't even, because there's so much other awesomeness in regards to creating in Unity, guys. There truly is. Alright, let's just stick that in there somewhere. We wanted to go, where were we going with that? That was right there, right guys? Something like that. Boom. Again, gotta have that attitude that it all looks good from an airplane. Right, we'll just smash another rock in there. Kind of change it up a little bit. Let's see, that's B, rock B. Let's see, what else do we have for B? For scale wise, all ones. We don't really have much, mostly ones. Yeah, it's all ones. So we're gonna scale it kind of from the center. Boom, good enough. And then we're just gonna rotate it. I don't know, something wild. It's kind of challenging to see what it looks like, but we're gonna slam that in there. Let's have a look. Let's just go. Okay, are you rendering? What are you doing? Yeah, okay. I might rotate it again, but just doing that changes up the look instantly. Okay, we're gonna rotate it. I don't know. Let's have a look. I didn't want that one side. I wanted kind of the other side. Okay, that kind of looks a little bit funky. So we're just gonna go something like that. And then we're just gonna kind of mix it in there if we can. Make it look like it's one boulder, guys. Let's see. I guess it doesn't really matter. I don't know, it's kind of just what you feel, right? What are you feeling? What are you feeling? Let's see. Not quite yet. Whoop. Kind of want to rotate. I don't know. I want to go like this. I want it kind of like that. I want to try to have it so it looks, that doesn't look too bad. And then we'll just see what that looks like. Not bad, not bad. I could smash another one right there. Make it look different. Can I rotate them together? Yes, I can. It's awesome. Okay. Do I leave it? Let's see. I want to see what it was before. Just wondering if I should have left it alone. Yeah. I think we're just going to leave it alone, guys. Okay. have a character controller. Yeah, I'm working on one right now for, let's see, do I have the input system in yet? No. We still have to do that, guys. So yeah, that's like, there's so many things, which is awesome. If you guys want to create your own game, don't expect it to happen in 2 weeks. Okay, I'm telling you, because there's lots. Just getting everything, just to creating in the world and such. There's the whatever you want to put in from the assets. There's that. Setting up your input system, creating your own character controller. I mean, you can purchase them from the asset store as well. The thing is you're taking a risk with purchasing a character controller from the asset store. Now, I'm not saying it's all bad, guys. I don't know, because I haven't bought any, right? But I'm just gonna let you know, you are kind of taking a risk buying it, because you don't know how well it performs. I'm not lying. I've tested other people's code. I've tried other people's code. I've written other people's code. I've adjusted. I've made changes. But the third person, like with the capsule controller, I got the player controller script was working great, but the camera rotates. So if you're like going one direction, it's fine. But as soon as you go to turn around and go the other direction, your camera's looking, but you can't even see the character anymore. So so I've turned it from, right now what I'm working on, I'm jumping between new input system, third person character controller I'm working on, which is, I'm telling you guys, it's working out great right now. And I don't want to jinx myself here. Okay, so I'm knocking on wood for now, because wood's awesome. And so then I'm back to working on, like, I got a game idea I was thinking of sharing with you guys as well on feature videos, so stay tuned for that. This week I do plan on doing more content, guys. I know I've been kind of, I've just been working and grinding, right? I'm not slacking, I'll tell you that, okay? Again, if I'm not streaming, I'm working for you guys too, right? And myself. Okay, so I'm actually taking the capsule. You guys seen there's a past video I did. I was working with a capsule, and it was a third-person controller. I typed up all the script and such for you guys. I might actually change that. That kind of looks, well, I don't know. I guess it doesn't look terrible, but anyways, I'm turning it from a third person to a first person now, is essentially what I'm doing. Because that's what I want with the game that I'm kind of working with. I want it to be first person. So yeah, I guess I could do a video on the script for that. Again, it's the old input system, so I'm not really too worried about it. It works. If you need script that kind of needs you to help you get going, let me know in comments. I'll make sure it's on my GitHub for you guys if you want it. Every once in a while I'll put stuff on GitHub. Haven't really been busy on that. Again, there's lots other things I'm doing. But yeah, if you want, definitely I'll make sure that happens. Okay, this kind of looked a little funky, so I don't know, I thought maybe a nice little animal hiding spot, kind of. I don't know. Put it in comments. Let me know if you guys like it. You want me to change it? You want me to turn it, rotate it, or just leave it? Let me know. Okay. Let's go back to, I don't know, we'll continue with some more painting here. Whoa, I got a little wild. We got a little wild. Alright, let's just hang out and chill on this boulder here. Check out the view. Yeah. Isn't that awesome? So yeah, the other things, right? I'm planning on doing a custom skybox, guys. I'm gonna do a skybox. I'm gonna be doing volumes. Once we get I want to kind of get everything all put in and such. Today I haven't really done a lot of work. I know, guys. We'll do a little bit of work, but this is kind of just talking to you guys and just keep you entertained, and hopefully you're enjoying it and you like it, right? What else are we gonna do? I'm planning on bringing obviously a 3D humanoid character in. Okay, I guess we'll talk about that briefly. I'm using Mixamo, guys. Okay, now for those of you that are cringing, well, too bad for you. I don't care. Okay. Yeah, you need to understand, have an open mind. Okay, indie developers don't have teams of people creating stuff for them. If you do your own work and your own creating, you'll understand how much time it takes to do things. Okay? You don't just twinkle your nose. Okay? You don't just twinkle your nose and everything magically happens for you. Okay? That's not how it works. If you're doing it yourself, it takes time. It's very time consuming. Okay? And time is money. Okay? And Daddy is sick and tired of eating bologna and marmalade sandwiches. I'll tell you that. Tired of it. So I'm keeping pushing, keeping grinding, keeping going. That's what I'm doing, right? Eventually creating and developing my own game. Yes. Yeah. Don't worry, guys. I'm fine. Okay. So what else? Yeah. I'm working on the third person character controller script. I know I've said that. Man, I'm loving it. I'm telling you, once I bring it into this world, guys, you'll see how well the character is moving. So stay tuned. What else are we gonna do? We still have to add grass and such, but I wanted to do the base painting and such first. Let me know, guys. I haven't quite figured out what I'm going to do yet here. Okay, it's kind of barren. We're saying, it's barren. Well, I'm planning on adding grass and such. I didn't want to go overkill with the trees, so I kind of was modest with it for now. Until we get all the painting and such done. Now, I don't know if I should continue with... what do you guys think? We're just creating. We're making it happen, right? It's kind of like, just do it. Just make it happen. No excuses, right? You just do it. Dig your heels into it. Stick your nose into the mud and just do it. That's what you do, okay? Again, I'll pump you guys up. Don't listen to that little troll in the back of your mind that keeps telling you that you can't or that you can't do it. Don't listen to that. Okay, this is what you do to it. Get yeeted! Right? Yeet that little troll. At least a mile, right? Get rid of it. And just get into it. Right? Follow from, if you're new to this and you want to learn, you don't need to. Okay, a lot of guys will ask, do I need to know how to do C# coding to use Unity? Actually, you don't, really. You do, yes, but you also don't. Okay, here's what I mean. As you can see, what I'm doing here is, let's say you're a creative person, okay? Maybe you're more creative, more artistic than I am. That's fine. Okay, I'm a technical guy. But I think I do okay, not too bad with the creating part. Not too bad. Again, I'm not going to critique my work. I probably would be my worst critic, if anything. Nobody else could be any worse than myself. But you can use Unity for creating, just like I'm doing here. I haven't typed one single line of script. Where's my script? Look, or have I? Oh yeah, my Atom free camera. That actually I got from the Atom pack that I downloaded, which is pretty awesome. I know I've been promising you guys a video on that. You'll see who Atom is coming up. Okay, I was gonna do a cinematic video for you, which I'm thinking this week I'm going to be pumping out a bunch of videos for you guys. Okay, a lot of different stuff. Because I've been kind of consistently just working on this project for you and keeping it going. So, but yeah, I'm going to change it up. I'm going to give you guys some other stuff to watch. Okay? Because you're all awesome and you're finding the channel and you're liking and you're subscribing. And it's you guys that keep it going. Okay, so stay tuned for that. I'm going to share my game with you. I'm going to do an Adam thing. So the Adam script, I didn't type this. I won't lie. But this is, I've got it attached to the camera so that I could just, it's a pretty decent script. I can't complain about it. Like, look at it. So I could get rid of, I think I might have added the disable mouse. That might, or cursor. That might have been me. But I could actually sprint with this, and I could look around, I could look up, I could look straight down. It's a pretty, well, I didn't mean to get you all dizzy there, guys, okay? But look at this, nice little fly through camera. It's a really good camera script, it really is. It's not bad. I didn't feel I needed to do anything other than just fancy it up with like I guess I could bring up the script so you can see it. Maybe you'll want to copy it. I'll open it. I'll update this script for you guys. I'll kind of better it up or fancy it up for you, if you will. It's pretty straightforward script. You know, it's good. It's good script. Normally I'll do stuff like this. This is what I like to do. I'll fix this up a little bit. I guess we could we'll change it up. I was going to do some painting. We're going to mix it up. Keep the content interesting for you guys. Okay, we'll do some different things. Again, you're going to have to follow the series. I'm not, you know, those that want to learn and actually learn something and such, like, you guys are awesome and welcome to be here, every single one of you. But I'm not doing 5-minute videos over here for something as silly as, you know, whatever. I'm just not. Okay, this is full, unedited, non-paywall, how to create and build your own game kind of thing going on here. Okay, whether it turns into something or not, I don't know. But this is to help you guys, if you want to learn how to create your own game, to help you get started. It gives you kind of an idea where you could, like, you could take what I'm showing you, you could take it and use it, or you could not take it, or you could use parts of it and change it up and do your own thing. Do what you will. It'll give you kind of a foundation to start with. Okay. Public floats. Not this. Okay, let's see. Hold up. Let me get to my script here. Okay, let's get. Having a good day today. Good mood, guys. A little bit chatty. Okay. So hopefully you don't mind. Keep you entertained. Let's see. I'm looking for something here. I got a lot of good stuff. I got all the gold. If you need anything, just let me know. Okay? And go to Discord. Ask Tech Dave if you have any questions. Again, I'm pretty much working solid, so I don't really have a lot of time for socials and chatting and stuff, guys. Okay, but I'm working and putting in a grind for you. Okay? Okay, so what am I looking for here? I want to make mention of something here, but I'm just looking for something here quickly. I think I put it in the trash can. I got a trash can code. If it doesn't work, it gets thrown into the trash can. I like it though. I like kind of debugging other people's script just to see what they do, because people type, everybody's kind of different and they do their own thing, and it's all unique. You know, it gives you the same end result, but the layout and the format and the style can be different. Okay. All right, so what is that called? Just give me a sec here. Where is that? Where? What? What? I have a note here somewhere. In regards to your I call these are called fields and properties. Okay, so I'll give you guys a little bit because you need to know a little bit if you want to learn coding and that. I recommend just go right to C#, guys. Okay, C# is C#. Okay, I started with C++. C++, I feel, gave me a really solid, awesome understanding of what happens under the hood. Okay, if you understand what that means, under the hood. Okay, any other language is going to be easy breezy, lemon squeezy if you learn C++ first. Okay, don't learn C. That's old school. Okay, I think that's slowly dying out. Okay, but C is C++ essentially. C++ is the increment operator. Okay, that's kind of where it comes from. They introduced the increment operator, which is awesome. Okay, and amongst other things. But if you're working with Unity, just C#, guys. Okay, it still gives you a good foundation. It does. The general philosophy and understanding of what happens under the hood and all those sort of things. The only thing different between C++ and C# is the syntax. Really. For the most part, it's the same, but C++ kind of puts things into 3 different areas. Definition, body, I call it the body or the main, and then you have define. Yeah, I can't even. I'm trying to recall it. Hold up. I want to use the proper terminology with you guys, okay, when we're talking the lingo. Just trying to wrap it on my head. There's define. You define your method. They call it functions, whatever. Methods are just part of a class, really. But functions and methods, they're the same thing, essentially. You know, you define your function, and why can't I think of that other word? Goodness gracious! Oh, the humanity! I'll find it here, guys. Okay, stream random. I have a notepad for C++ that is probably a mile long. I'm not capping. It's got a lot of gold. For $10.99, you can have the gold. Literally, I could write a book with it, but I won't. I've been slowly putting it up on the C++ stuff. If you're interested in learning C++, all my notes are on GitHub. I'm telling you. It's there. It's like GitHub. A lot of people will paste their code and stuff in there. That's great. I'm pasting my notes and my teachings. Okay. 3 parts. I call C++ like the line coding essay. You have 3 parts. And I'll find it here. I'm just looking through my notes. I'm kind of organized somewhat. I know kind of where it is. Let's see. Yeah, in regards to pointers and stuff, and cleaning up memory and everything. That's the great thing about C++. It really teaches you that stuff. Come on. Where are you? Okay, main function. I'm in the general area. 3 main parts. Here we go. Sections of your line coding essay. Intro, body, and conclusion, right? If you compare it to an essay, You have your intro, you have your body, and you have your conclusion. Okay, those three parts is the intro would be your header, and then your main body would be your body, of course, and then you have your source.cpp, which is your conclusion. Now, I have other words for where you define it in regards to when you're creating your functions. Definition, I just can't think of the other word. I don't know why I can't, guys. Declare. God, finally I got it. At the top you declare it, at the bottom your definition. And if you get into learning, I'm going back to my notes here. If you get into learning, let's see if I can find that. This wasn't planned today, guys. We're just kind of winging it today. Winging it today. We are winging it. I'm going to change up the screen here just so you guys can have something different to look at while I'm doing this. Just looking for something here. Again, I'm organized, but I got lots of files. Interfaces. I think it's interfaces. Yes, interfaces. They work kind of similar. If you choose, like I'm doing events and stuff now, guys. Okay, especially with this game that I'm working with. I'm utilizing events. But with interfaces, to me it's the same. It's similar. Okay. There are videos and content about interfaces. I'm not really doing a coding C# kind of channel. I did the C++ thing. I don't know, the interest was kind of there, but I mean, if people aren't wanting to learn, then and I guess on the other hand, people don't have time for 3-hour videos, but they aren't fully 3-hour videos. I think an hour of it, hour and a half of it are breaks and probably wasting a lot of time. Okay, let's get back to working on this script. But yeah, I wanted to mention up here, it's not recommended to getting back to my original thoughts. So I'll give little tidbits here and there, guys, but I'm not really teaching coding, but I will give you so you kind of have an understanding, right? If you have any further questions, just ask. That's all you have to do. I won't be a beep unless you're a beep, right? That's kind of how it works. If you're awesome, if you come across with awesome vibes, I'm going to come back with awesome vibes. Okay? That's just how I roll. Okay? I'm not afraid to stand my ground. Okay. Okay, what am I looking for here? Get with the program. Way too much going on here. I swear to God. Is it here? Never make fields public. Jeez, that took forever just to find that. Okay. Here we go. There we go. I'm a real gooder typer, guys. A real gooder typer. Okay, so we have our booleans. Enable input capture. I'm not really sure what that's doing. I think so. If it's not, obviously a boolean is a boolean. Now people there's two styles of let me just type a method here quickly. This is just a whatever. Always, when you're creating a method, start with a capitalization, and the second word is also capital. I don't mean to say that. Whatever, Charlie. Okay, just random. Okay, so there's two ways of having your curly brackets. Okay, there's this style. There's a name for it. Okay, some people will type this way. It's if you're working for a company, they're gonna want you to follow their standards. Just accept, give in, and just do what they want. It's their money, they're paying you, it's their business. They can make the rules. Okay, but if you're on your own and doing your own thing, you can choose. You can choose this style. I like this style. That's my style. Okay, I'll see if I can find the names of it. I do have that in my notes. In my 1 mile long C++ document. Okay, that should be worth more than $10.99.99, but I am sharing it on GitHub. My knowledge. Okay, good notes, good for reading, right? And you can, I mean, it's open source at that point, I guess. All of my work. Man, I'm not getting any work done today, guys. I do apologize. I promise we'll get some done tomorrow. But I did want to get a stream going. I wanted to do something for you. Okay, come on. Where are you working today? Go into the C++ folder, Bob. Sheesh! Kept going in because I'm so used to going into the C# folder that I clicked it. Okay. I think it's at the bottom of it, if I recall. Oh, styles. Man, this thing's long. I can't remember if I had it at the top or at the bottom. I feel like my brain is telling me it's at the bottom. K&N style, and I can't remember off the top of my head what the other style was called. That's why I'm looking. Must be at the top. Has to be. I should have just looked at the my table of contents that I created with it. Let's see. What is it called again? Man, I should just read this again. So much. Flushing, buffer overflow, constants, literal, symbolic, special, blah, 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 number systems. What else we got? Global and local variables, guidelines while creating variable names. What is operator overloading, instance and static members, polymorphism, just everything. Setters and getters. Maybe it's at the top. Let's see. Indentation. There we go. It is at the top. Indentation, braces, styles, and variants. Whoops. So, well, let's just see if we can find it. Here we go. I found it. Almond style. Okay, there, I found it, guys. This is called almond style, and this is called K&R style. I don't know why I said K&N, but K&R style is utilized by 1TBS, Strostrup, Linux kernel, BSD, KNF, standard style with Java and JavaScript, and then the almond style, which is what I'm using. Okay, it's just a style that's utilized. Okay. All right, I finally did it. Okay, a little bit of knowledge for you guys. So these are floats. So a lot of times people will make them public. For the reason to make something public is so that other scripts can access the information. Otherwise, for the most part, you want it all private within this class. Okay, this is a class on its own. Do you want other scripts accessing and changing and modifying the information? That's the reason for private and public accessors. Now there's a better way to let's say another script needed to access this variable. Well, you just create a getter, essentially, make this private, and then just access, make the getter is going to be public, right? The variable is going to be private. So if you go to the other script, you access the variable through the method, right? Essentially, I'll show you once I do script like that. I'll try to remind myself to talk about it again then, so you can get an actual example. Now I know I mentioned to go through this script. I'm not going to change this, but for the most part, let's see. I want to see if I can find. I just want to. Okay, here we go. Oh, click that. My little shortcuts faster if I just do that. Go. What am I looking for here? Sure, let's go here. And I'll do stuff like this. It's not necessary, guys, but I thought maybe I had an awake in there. Where's an awake? Here we go. Like, I usually just do this for notes for you guys, but I'm kind of a little bit particular. Now I'm gonna fix that, and I'll just do stuff like that and give you guys little notes. And then, so you want them private. They're typically private. If it's not said, if you don't put public or private. Okay, let me just type this. Okay, so if you don't see anything, that means it's private. Okay, it's anything inside a class is always private unless you specify. This is called being what's the word? Explicit. You have to be explicit. So if you want something public, well, you have to be explicit and say public. That's really the difference. If you don't see anything, it's private. Okay? Just so you understand. Okay? And now, yeah, good. It jumped back. Good. Okay, so I'm a little bit anal, I guess, if that's the word. Now, I'm not talking about donkeys, guys. Okay? It's an actual word in a dictionary. It's a normal word, so it's not swearing. I don't think it is. But I like it to be there. I'll put it there. I assume these are all going to be private. Again, if you're not explicit, right, you have to be explicit if you want public. Now, I don't understand why they did it this way. What do they got going on here? Okay, let me just... So they have... These aren't really calm. These are kind of in the wrong... Wow. This isn't... This is okay here. But these are their own methods they created. Oh, cool. They got one that... Oh, this is void, but it takes in a bool. Okay. I'm just trying to... I actually haven't really spent time looking at the script. But I promised I'd go through it in case you wanted to type it yourself. Okay? I'll use this as well. Pitch and yaw. Okay, here's another thing to teach you guys. Okay, I'm gonna go into the coding a little bit. Let me just go to a character here. Okay, a lot of people get confused on this, but I'll explain this. Okay, you have your X, Y, and Z, right? If you're looking at regular, if you're doing regular mathematics, let me go on the right side. Okay, regular high school mathematics or whatever. You're learning trigonometry or you're learning linear slopes and stuff. Stay focused in that class, guys. Everything and anything to do with gaming and movement and character movement is all related to linear. Anything that's linear. X, Y, and Z, man. So right now we're looking at 2 dimensions, okay? You can kind of see the Z here, but you really can't. Okay? X is positive going to the right, Y is positive going up. Okay? Z is our horizontal, our forward movement. Okay? That's our walking direction. Okay? That's Z. Okay? Now, if you're obviously going up, well, we've learned this in mathematics. Up is up, Y is up, right? X is obviously positive going this way, and X is negative going this way. Y is positive going up, Y is negative going down, okay? And same thing with Z, positive forward. So whichever direction it's pointing, that's positive, okay? Now going into here, where was I? I was going to get into this. Okay, the yaw and the pitch stuff. So this is where people might get confused. I kind of I set up my code a little bit different. I'll put these at the top with my script. You might have seen that with my 3D character controller. I actually like to create variables for these and then do an input method and then do a movement method. So, but that's okay. We won't mess around with this too much. But it's all here. Hopefully I went through it. I'll scroll through it again kind of quickly. You can pause it if you want to copy it. You can also download the Atom Pack, I guess, from the asset store. You would get the same thing. But if you want just a script, attach it to your camera. My camera is apparent. I'm starting to understand. Like, I learned this in IT, the parent-child thing in regards to like access and such on a network, but I never thought of it in regards to like this. So, but I have a better understanding now because thankfully I had the IT background and I knew of the parent-child relationship. At least I had the concept of it. So it made it easier to kind of understand and grasp that. If you have something as a child, like these are all children of this parent. If I move the parent, the children will follow, right? The parent has control. Okay, but anyways, I just wanted to mention the main camera is still a parent, and I attached the script so that I could just, it's just kind of like script for moving and just doing your own thing, looking around. It's kind of like a free camera. So let's say you had a multiplayer game and you're in the spawn or you're in the gulag or something, right? You can kind of, so old school Call of Duty, you used to be able to do that. You could watch other people play just with a free camera. Or sometimes the camera would be locked and you can still watch the play with a free camera. So, okay, I gotta finish up here though, guys. I know we didn't get a lot done. Hopefully you learned a lot. Whoops, I don't want to do that. Stay tuned. I'm gonna grind and push and do more content for you guys, especially for those you guys subscribing. That again, I want you to know thank you, and it's you guys that keep it going. You truly do. Otherwise I could have the attitude, the don't care attitude, and just work and do my own thing. I'm happy and content doing that as well, but I'm not I'm not, because you guys are being awesome. Let's go! All right, hopefully I'm making your day. So yeah, let's see what else do I like to do? I think we can make these now, just to show you so you have a look here. So because now it makes sense to have these public. There's a reason for that. Let me show you. Okay. So when you have public variables, doesn't matter if it's float, int, what bool, doesn't matter. Okay, they're gonna still be public and accessible for any other script to have access to that information and could potentially make changes. So when the information gets back to the actual your script, numbers or values have gotten changed. It may mess with your program and do funky things, right? That's why things are not freely shared between scripts, right? Because you don't want that. There's the concept read only too, right? Right? If you've heard of the term read only, well, that's kind of the same thing. Constant's another thing. That's a variable that cannot be changed, right? Even something could try to change it, but it's not going to be able to, right? Because it's defined as a constant. Okay, I guess we're talking a little bit about coding, but you can see it here, guys, right? So this is a Boolean, right? Right now it's checked as true. Okay, so, and I should be doing this more, right? Because I like to explain things for those that kind of maybe not having the most or the best understanding of how it all works, right? I'm over here I might over explain, I don't know, but hopefully with all the explaining that I'm doing helps you understand it. Okay, all right. So if you're playing your game, let's say, so I'm playing it, right? I could actually like change these values right here. I could click these on or off. I could change the values right here because they're public. Okay, even while I'm running it. This is runtime. Okay. So, and I think that's the reason why they're public, is so that, maybe when they were typing the code, they wanted to be able to have access to these values and just tweak it and adjust it and do those sort of things. I just kind of left it. A good sprint speed. That's a really good fast sprint speed. Normally, a character wouldn't have a speed that quick. Normally, it's anywhere between. It's probably around 8 or 1.5 times your movement speed. But it's a camera, and you want to be able to fly around quickly. So that's the nice thing about it. I liked it. It was a good speed, right? It's like boom, boom, boom. You're getting places quickly. Okay, and then yaw and pitch. I recommend understand what yaw and pitch is. I might actually have it here. I've got some notes, guys. We'll talk about yaw and pitch. Now, if you think of helicopters or airplanes, if you're is it aeronautical? I don't know. I wrecked it. I know I ruined it, guys. Okay, I love it too. I love airplanes and helicopters myself, but I haven't really gone deep into the understanding of flying and all those sort of things. Okay, but I think it's really cool, and I like to understand a little bit. So, okay. I actually have it in my head here. So let me just fly, okay? So, helicopter uses the word yaw, okay? Yaw is the horizontal, okay? This is what I wanted to get into, okay? And pitch is your nose up or nose down, nose up. That's your pitch. down, up. So if you're flying, nose down, right? Pitch up, pitch down, right? And if you're hovering in a helicopter, that would be your yaw. So, with that said, this is to help you guys understand, right? So here we go. We'll just look at the camera. Okay? Why is... Let me go back to the character instead. Where are you? Okay? Y is vertical, right? So if imagine you're here, I got the Y. It's kind of poking me in the hee-haw. Okay. Now if I'm yawing, right? I'm rotating on the Y. Okay. This is to help you guys understand. Look at it. Oh. Okay. The Y. I'm pivoting and rotating on the y-axis. Okay, you can see that, right? Okay. So that is yaw, right? And pitch is the rotation on the X, right? So here I am. It's kind of like the teeter-totter. Up and down, up and down, up and down. I'm rotating on the X. Okay, but inside the script, so if you think about it, when you're moving a character, and I guess it's good that I'm kind of talking about this now, so I don't have to talk about it when I'm actually doing the character. We can talk about other things, right? So you're walking on a horizontal plane, right? You're walking on. Let's go back to the character. You're walking on the X and the Z, right? You're not going up. Up is jumping, right? So when you're walking, that's a two-dimensional plane. Okay? If you're looking down, right? We can't see Y anymore, right? So Z is forward, X is left or right. Or Z can be backwards as well. Okay? So that's a vector 2 coordinate, okay? So that you understand with the coding, vector 2, vector 3. Vector 3 is obviously 3 dimensions, right? So you have X, Y, and Z. But when you're moving and walking around with a character, you're moving, only if you're jumping is when you're moving in that 3rd dimension. Otherwise, you're walking around in 2 dimensions only. This is vector 2 movement. That's it. Okay? Right? It doesn't become a vector 3 until you jump. Okay? I know that makes sense. So you'll see that sometimes in the script. Now, I don't know. I'm not really seeing it here. I like this. Ternaries. I love ternary operators. Whoever invented the ternary operator is a genius. Yeah, I love it. It simplifies scripts so much. Get to know what a ternary is, guys. Okay? You won't have to do ifs, else's, or even, like, I haven't done a lot of them, but you have cases as well, which I don't normally use cases much, but I use if, else, or else if a lot. But ternary is a great one. Okay? If it's not this, it's this, right? So they're multiplying the shift button. So that's our sprint right here, right? Basically, that's our sprint. I don't know why they're calling it speed, but whatever. It doesn't matter. Here they have it called sprint speed. So if you press the button, it becomes sprint speed. Multiplied by speed, right? So these are your vector 2s right here. Okay, vertical this is here. So this might confuse people. Vertical actually means Z. Okay? So you guys are getting the goods here. Okay? Vertical is actually your Z. Your brain might go, well, that means up. Well, no. It's not. We're talking about a vector 2. Okay? So vertical is Z. That's actually Z. It's crazy, I know. Mind-blowing. And horizontal is your X. Okay? That's to help clarify when you're doing your code if you're reading other people's code. Trust me, I grind, and I grind till I understand. Okay, I like to decipher. So, and then yeah, here we go. Oh, they're modulo. Oh, they're modulo. Now this is new to me. I've never seen that before. That's kind of neat. Cool. Modulo 360. Interesting. It works. If it works, I'm not gonna hate on it. This is the first time seeing this. Very unique. So again, I like it. If it works, it works. Just keep it. And here we have another ternary here as well. If E is pressed, you're multiplying by either 1 or 0, right? So the value is being subtracted. So the E is for jump. What? E is up? Okay, I actually haven't pressed E yet. So E for me, yeah, that would be your up, because normally, yeah, up, down, yeah, you could do that. That's cool, right? Q and E are normally, that's common for, let's say, for a helicopter or something. So that's pretty cool. All right, I'm going to leave it at that. I got to finish up, guys. I was going to do other things like, I don't know, these are all private. Same thing with the bools here. Again, if it's not, if you're not explicit, I'm being explicit now by actually explicitly saying, because a lot of people might not know, right? But if you don't see it, just stick it in your brain. Oh, it's private. That's a private variable. Okay, because it is. Without it, whoops. Yeah, I'm just redoing now, okay? Control Z. Right? Without it, they're private. Okay, that's all I wanted to do. Whoops. Just put them back. And yeah, there we go. And then you want this, you do want the cursor lock state. That's nice to have. That's something I'll incorporate in my code as well. Whoops, I still have it running. I didn't really make any changes. I don't know. I kind of, sometimes I forget. You want to do this. Now there's somewhere, I'll have to see if I can find it, and we'll talk about it next video. Somewhere, is it preferences? I can't remember. Somewhere you can actually change the when you press play, you can change the background. This tells you so that you know you're in play mode, because it's easy to forget, right? Or maybe you clicked it but it didn't actually click, right? So I'll try to remind myself to show you how to do that next video stream. Okay, other thing, guys, do this as well. It's up to you what you want to do for size. I'm in the game tab. I have 1920 by 1080 set, but if you're on a PC and you want to be friendly to your graphics card and not make it overwork, click VSync. Okay, that's key. Okay, it'll frame rate based on the resolution or the frequency of your monitor. Okay. All right, and you can actually see that if you turn on stats and then run it. You'll see it. Your graphics. There we go. So you want to see. Without it, you're going to be screaming at like 10 times that speed. Okay? You're being nice to your graphics card doing this. And me not adding any lighting and such is also being kind of friendly to my graphics card right now. Especially when you're just creating. Like, don't be in such a rush to create the lighting and the volumes and all that such. Till you're ready, guys. Okay? Take your time. I think it's thinking. I'm trying to click and move. Oh, right. I'm in. If you do that, I tend to do that too. This is a good tell that you're in game mode. because you'll see these borders. In scene mode, you don't have the borders. All right, I'm gonna leave it at that, guys. I know I didn't do a lot, but hopefully you enjoyed the stream and you learned something today. Again, follow along the series if you want to learn and create. Again, guys, you don't need to know how to script. You don't, but if you are a creator and you like creating, you can see that you could do the creating part, right? Maybe you can make money doing that. Okay, it could be. All right, again, I'm kind of doing it for the same reasons. This is once I'm kind of done this, I'm gonna save it. I'm not gonna really turn it into anything, and I'm gonna make it sort of available to the public. Okay. So yeah, maybe probably try to asset store or something. I haven't gotten to that point yet. But yeah, you can create, right? Again, I haven't done any code. If you want the Atom free camera script, I'll make sure it's on my GitHub for you if you don't know how to get it. But yeah. All right, awesome sauceum. Hopefully you guys let me know also what you think I should do with this boulder. Leave it? What do you think? I don't know. Just let me know. I don't mind taking some input from you guys and gals, and maybe you can kind of be part of the creation as well. I'm going to leave it at that. Johnny Whiskey Tango coding. Whiskey Tango sharp coding. Appreciate you guys. Recent subscribers. Let's go. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. You're awesome. That is it for now. I'll see you guys in the next videos. I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Have an awesome rest of your day. That's it. Take care. Peace out. And peace.